Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video, I would love to share with you a very simple recipe, 3-ingredient soothing lotion. I love this recipe because you could use it in a spray form or in a cotton ball. You could even carry it with you. And the main ingredient in our lotion is going to be cucumber. And as you know, cucumbers are amazing for our skincare. They are rich in vitamins. They also help your skin to get these vitamins. They help our skin to retain the moisture, and they are rich in retinol. So all this makes the soothing lotion amazing for our skin. I would even go further, and some people usually use this type of ingredients for the sunburn. But I love using this lotion for, taking care of my under eye area. As you know, skin in our under eye area is very delicate. It gets dry a lot faster than the skin on the rest of our face. And I also love using this lotion, let's say whenever my face feels dry or irritated or red. It might not even be caused by the sun. Sometimes the heaters cause this, sometimes the wind and cold weather can cause this, and sometimes when you just use some new skincare product and your skin just didn't like it, you have some mild reaction, maybe inflammation or redness, this is an amazing lotion to go with. We shall need to juice the cucumbers. I would say you need to get about 1 large cucumber, or here today I have 3 small ones. I'm pretty much sure that you would end up with a lot of juice because cucumbers are normally very juicy. You could use the juicer for that purpose. I'm going to use the grater, and once I grate it, I will just squeeze the juice through the little mash container here, or you could use a cheesecloth. And the rest of the ingredients will be the coconut milk, the full-fat coconut milk, preferably organic. Today I have the Trader Joe brand right here, and I will also need the aloe vera juice. So I'm going to juice the cucumbers. I have a little bowl here and a grater. So you need to coarsely, grind your cucumbers. So this is the amount of cucumber I believe you would get from 1 cucumber. It's pretty much a lot of cucumber. Once you get the cucumber juice, you can go further again, and you could freeze it with diluted with water or straight, or maybe you dilute it with some green or chamomile tea. Besides, if you really master to slice the cucumber very, very thinly, you could just straight apply it in the under eye area, say in the morning when you pull it out from the refrigerator, when you're just, doing your morning errands. So right now I will need to squeeze the juice. As you see, this is very, very easy. The juice just goes and flows. It's a little messy, but it's worth it. So to my squeezing process here, I added 2 more little cucumbers, and I ended up with almost 1 cup of juice. That's a lot of juice, and I really treat it as some precious product here because this is really versatile and you could use it in so many different recipes. To finish up our soothing lotion, we just need to add the rest of the ingredients. The second ingredient is going to be aloe vera juice. Well, with aloe vera products, either it's juice or gel, I would strongly recommend you to get really a good quality product because that is very important. So I am going to pour here just 1/4 cup, and it is going to be equals 2 ounces of aloe vera juice. So I pour it in here, and the last ingredient, not the least of course, is going to be coconut milk. Well, coconut milk is so rich in different fatty acids. It's so good for your skin, and this is very soothing as well. So we'll need another 1/4 cup. So once you open coconut milk, obviously there is a little like fat that is concentrated on top. This is normal, but we only need the milky part. You could use it for your other recipes or purposes. So 1/4 cup in here. What I love about this recipe is that you really end up with a lot of it. So what I normally do, if you see that you end up with a little bit cucumber pieces, you just need to strain it again. And I normally store it in a glass, and I would say, again, there are 3 ways you could use it. You could use it straight when you just apply it on a cotton ball. You could freeze it and use it in the form of ice cubes, when you wake up in the morning and you want to give your skin that real nice boost, and so it looks glowing throughout the day. Or at the end of the day, once you feel that your skin is really tired of makeup, or just tired, you could use that as well. And you could of course transfer this to the spray bottle and use it as a tonic and use it as a soothing lotion. So whatever really So whatever feels the best for you. I would say if you want to really infuse this, you might add maybe vitamin E, maybe a couple of essential oils. I've never really tried that because I prefer it to be as simple as it is, for it has the main purpose as soothing your skin. I also need to mention here that you need to store it in the refrigerator. It's actually one of the most important points, so you keep it fresh, and obviously so you could enjoy the cooling effect that it can provide. You shouldn't really store it in the refrigerator for longer than a week because we're using fresh juice and there are no real preservatives in here. As simple as that, you can prepare a very simple 3-ingredient soothing lotion for your skin. I am sure you guys will love this, and it will definitely provide great benefits for your skin, and you will definitely see the difference. I will put all the ingredients and the recipe with the instructions in the description bar down below this video. If you guys like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your attention very much. I really want to say a huge thank you to every one of you, and I wish you guys to be very happy, very healthy, be well and grateful, and I will definitely see you in my next video.